This is the TS75, which is the biggest track saw that Festool makes. And it's the big brother of the TS55. The major difference between the two is that this one has a much bigger motor and a bigger blade. The blade size is about 210 millimeters, which is about 8¼ inches, giving you a max cut depth of about 3 inches. The variable speed control dial can be found right down here, and the depth stop gauge can be found right here. To adjust the angle of the saw, you'll loosen this knob right here, and this knob on the back, and then tilt the saw to the angle you want, and tighten the knobs back down. And then if you look right up here, you'll find the fast fix lever, which you'll pull up while pushing the blade down, and it will lock the blade in place. And then you can use an Allen key to loosen the nut and take your blade out and replace your blade. And then the last thing to show is this stopper right here. You'll loosen the knob and take it off, and then slide it onto the back of your track and tighten it down. And it acts as a stopper and also fits right over top of this lip. So when you back your saw into it to do plunge cuts, it prevents the back of the saw from lifting up.